Less than a week after we saw Beta 8, we have iOS 12 Beta 9. Let's go ahead and check out what's changed. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here for AppleInsider, and weighing in at around 218 megs on our iPhone 10, we've got possibly the last beta of iOS 12. Not the GM, but the last maybe official beta. And so far, everything is super buttery smooth. We've been testing this phone out, trying to find any new changes this time around, and everything just seems super quick, super smooth. All animations are really nice, no dropped frames going on. Just feels really, really nice on our iPhone 10. Now, while it definitely feels nice, we wanted to know if it actually is any faster. So we ran a series of Geekbench 4 tests to get some actual numbers to put behind this feeling of just general speediness that we assumed was happening. We ran the test a few times because we wanted to make sure any results that we got weren't just one-offs because we had a freshly rebooted phone. So we compared them before and after. So our results were roughly around 4250 for our single core and then 1043.8 for our multi-core. If we go back to our history and we look at a couple that we ran just before installing this beta on, again, freshly restarted phone, we got pretty similar results. The highest numbers we were able to pull down before installing Beta 9 was around 4244 on that single core and 10452 on the multi-core. Of course, there's a degree of variance each time you run this. For instance, we got 4223 and 10395. So there's definitely above and below beforehand, but performance is pretty much on par with what we got before. And that makes sense. When we jump into settings, general, and about and look at our version number, you can see here we're only 4 builds different than what we had before, and it's gotten even an A for stability. So we're looking at really solid performance, really nice stability, and only a few different builds between this one and the last one. There's often a little bit of a delay between the last beta and the GM, as Apple puts in all the new goodies that they're expected to announce alongside the new iPhones. So will this be the last beta we see before iOS 12 GM in September? We can't say with 100%, but right now, it definitely looks plausible.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.